Hey guys, I've got another Ks0 Pro that came in because it would not power on. He says it probably is a short, so let's go ahead and check some voltages, or check for shorts first. Put my multimeter right there. Alright. First thing we're going to do is check here. And yes, there is a short. Alright, now I'm going to get my adapter here hooked up to my bench power supply. And I'm going to set that, hold on, I'm going to set my power supply at about 1.5 volts. Just so I don't fry anything. Let me get my thermal camera out. Alright, I am going to plug it in. Hold my thermal camera up here. There's a shorted cap here. And I believe this MOSFET here is shorted. Now he has coolers on them, which I'm gonna have to pry off. So let me do that. One, two, three, 4. Alright. I'm going to turn my amperage down a little on my power supply. I'm going to get my thermal camera up here. And I am going to plug it in again. See what gets hot. Yeah. That first MOSFET is shorted, and I think the second cap, let me make sure. Fourth cap. All right. So what I have to do is remove this cap and replace this MOSFET. Then we get to see if this thing is salvageable or if it took out one of the ASIC chips on the back. This stuff is nice for gluing things on, but it sucks to work with. Alright. Let's get this chip removed. Alright, now that that's done, we'll test for shorts again. There. All good. All right, perfect. Let's plug it in and see if it works. Yes, we have lights. Let's see if we get our 1 point. Let's see if we get our 1.7 out of here. Yes, we do. All right. Let's try to flip this without shorting anything out. All right, we should be getting that does not look right. We should be getting 0.8 out of this one. Let's see what this one says. This one right here. 0.75. 0.17. 0.28. 0.67. So that is not right. Probably this LDO is bad. So let me go ahead and replace it.
Did I do that?
Yes. Yes, you did.
You're a newbie, aren't you?
And a few moments later...
Nothing to see here.
Alright, now that we got those replaced, we're going to plug it back in here. Power it on. And check for voltages again. We have to wait till that green light starts flashing before we can test it. Alright, it's flashing. Now there should be... Sorry, it's out of focus. Got 1.2 there. And 1.68. That's a lot better than it was. Still a little low. Alright, well, let's hook it up to the Ice River monitor and see if it works. Alright, let's see if it has a bad chip. Oh, yes. Chip number 10. That one always gets taken out. Well, looks like I'm going to have to replace this one. I'm going to contact him and ask him if he wants to replace. He said to go ahead and replace it. So I'm going to throw it on my preheater and get this chip off. Let's see if this chip is good and works. Yes. Awesome. We got it. Now we just got to put this thing back together and run a test. I almost forgot. I got to replace this capacitor. Let's do that real quick. Alright, after running at about 10 hours overnight, everything looks great. I'm going to go ahead and ship this back to him. Hope this helped anybody that's trying to do the same thing. See you next time.